So you guys are in urban Philly, kind of in the heart of Philly. You were talking to me about kind of your vision, your thoughts behind putting it here. Can you talk to that?
Both John and I have been around the machining industry for pretty much our whole, at least adult lives. I grew up around it. I've been lucky to work with hundreds of different shops throughout my past career. I'm sure, like you have, Chad, you go into these facilities, they do remarkably cool work. They're doing very meaningful manufacturing. They're often good at what they do, but so often they fit a similar mold. Like if you had to describe a machine shop, it's probably in a suburban or a rural area, probably in a back of a nondescript business park. The people that work in the machine shop are, often of the same gender, the same race, the same age group. When I was selling technology to so many of these manufacturers, you hear all the time, it's we just can't find people to fill these roles.
Every shop.
It's a huge barrier to growth, and the kind of this mentality that like no one wants to work anymore, or people don't work like they used to. I guess being a millennial, like I almost took that as like an insult. I see it differently. Like I'm a resident in a city that has a wide range of people that is younger than maybe the average U.S. demographic. It's many areas, including this one. It's lower income than the average U.S. demographic. And when I hear folks say like we need to get different people into the manufacturing industry, but then they continue to operate in places that are not necessarily accessible to the exact people that they want to attract, I just can't help myself but think like why can't we do it here? Like this is an area that thrived with manufacturing from the mid 1800s to like middle to latter half of the 20th century. Yes, it had a bit of a falling out, and you see kind of the industrial decay around us. We're in a 100,000+ square foot factory, used to employ 120, 150 people. We've got a Ryerson steel facility that's just been vacant for who knows how many years just down the road. A lot of these buildings have broken windows, there's graffiti on them. It's not really an inviting place, but the infrastructure is here to still support manufacturing. And we're already seeing within this community that people are excited about the investments that we're making, and we're bringing folks through that maybe they're not ready to go day one with the exact skills that we'll require, but it's really on us to create an environment where we can help them succeed and find that manufacturing opportunity where a lot of other doors may have been closed. Just go to a spot where people probably need more help and can really benefit from these manufacturing roles. I think it's a mission that we're starting. I think it's worth noting we're not there yet. Like, we haven't created that diverse environment, but we're on a mission to get there, and it is going to be an important part of our growth.